I told you it was going to happen, and oh, look, here we are, my friends. myEcon is starting the massive wave of momentum right here in 2025. So this is something that I've shared with you numerous times on this channel. If you're, new to myEcon, if you're new to checking me out or learning about the funnel team or anything that we do here to make money online, please do yourself a favor and go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you can just kind of stay up to date with all of this stuff. Well, plain and simple, myEcon is an incredible business opportunity that's been flying under the radar for the last 20 years. Yes, they have over or about, I think it's about 100,000 active members. And, they've been here stable and strong for many, many years. This isn't one of those hype products that's here today. It's not the latest and greatest craze. It's just a rock solid compensation plan that pays the highest dollar per renewal per person that I have ever seen. Products and services like what I'm going to talk about here in this video that actually help people increase their cash flow. And again, this has been here for the last 20 years. Now, I know there's a lot of hype things out there, and there's a lot of people chasing the shiny objects because straight up they want to get rich quick. But in my opinion, there's something to be said about using something that is solid and stable and just building, because no matter what it is that you go do, the process is always the same. End of story. No matter what company, what business, what opportunity you're promoting, the process is the same. You have to drive traffic to your link, and then people also have to turn around and duplicate that process. That's it. So it doesn't matter what you do. Either way, don't want to get too far off track here, but a little while ago I told you guys about the fact that we were launching a 30-day campaign all based on myEcon's income shifting, otherwise known as correcting your W-4, a way for people to increase cash flow, and is all based on the formula of how to get X without doing Y, which is a standard marketing formula. And this marketing formula has been around for decades, if not 100 years. And this is applied in, you see it in commercials, you see it all over the place, people selling makeup or whatever it is, right? How do you get this result without doing this, right? So that's what we started to share with people is how do you increase your cash flow without recruiting a single person? And then we built an entire 30-day marketing campaign all around that. And we gave this out to our team. We launched this last week. And it's literally everything. You could see all the color-coded income-producing activities that you have here, the green, the yellow, the fuchsia, purple, whatever color that is. And then we built that all around a content calendar where we show people exactly what to do, how to do it, and what day they need to do it on. It's literally all spelled out black and white. Well, here are some of the results from this income shifting campaign so far. Is we've seen a massive uptick in sales, and I'm just going to come over here to my email inbox here, and you can just see. And just to show you, at the date and time of this video, it is June 5th. So I'm just going to go here, and I'm just going to go date and time. So you can see it's 9:32 in the morning. It is June 5th. Okay, again, at the time of this video, and you can see my email inbox over here. As of June 4th, yesterday, 6 sales yesterday, 5, 3, 2, 3. Several days with just multiple sales coming in literally every single day, all because of this campaign. And it's just the momentum over the last few days here has really started to skyrocket. More and more people are seeing all the material that our team is putting out there, whether it be those memes, those Facebook posts, those graphic images, the short form videos, the YouTube videos, maybe direct messages. But our team is getting the word out there, and this is starting to build. This is starting to grow. The sales are flowing in, and if you're looking for a rock solid, steady business opportunity that you could do from home that can increase your cash flow without even recruiting a single person, then it's myEcon. If you're looking for a rock solid compensation plan that has the highest dollar per renewal per person that I've ever seen, it is myEcon. If you're looking for an array of products and services that can help people increase their cash flow, then it's myEcon. If you're looking for a company that's been around for 20 years, that has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, that has millions of dollars in the bank and pays out up to 95% direct commissions on their products and services, it's myEcon. If you're looking for hype, for shiny objects, if you're looking to chase so-called leaders that want to drag you from one opportunity to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next, it's probably not myEcon. It's as simple as that. I've been with myEcon since 2018, not going anywhere. Okay, this is a very solid business with incredible products and services that actually work. And yes, the momentum is real. So you can continue to keep watching and ponder and doubt and debate and wonder, will this work? Can this work for you? Or you can get on the inside and get yourself started, my friends, because we have black and white, undeniable proof that this works. And I've been telling you about it here on my channel, and even telling you even more recently that it's about to get even better. And oh, look, here we are. It's getting even better. And the growth and massive momentum wave here in 2025 right now with myEcon is on its way up, my friend. So yeah, even though it's an older company, there's always massive waves of momentum. And we are at the very beginning stages of this right now. So you have an opportunity right now watching this video to get in, get on the inside, be part of this. Or you can create excuses. That's as simple as that. You either create excuses or you create results. You either chase the shiny object or you don't, and you make smart decisions. It's totally up to you, my friends. If you have any questions for me, my phone number is right there at the top of this video. Yes, that's actually me. No, that's not a bot. You will actually be texting my phone and I will reply back to you. Or just go ahead and like this video and drop a comment down below. Otherwise, if you need to see our full overview and tutorial, how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for getting started with myEcon. So you get access to all of your sales funnels, pre-written professional emails, training, live training, by the way. In our Facebook group, we go live 5 times a week, teaching, coaching, training, educating, motivating, doing all those things. You can be part of that as well. It's everything you need to start promoting your myEcon business literally today. You don't have to build anything. You don't get upsold any extra crap in the back end. This isn't one of those multiple income systems where you think you get in for one price and then you get upsold on tools and softwares and traffic and everything else. No, we're going to show you how to market for free. All of this is covered, everything that I'm telling you. I'm going to leave an end card here at the end of this video. You can watch my full tutorial and overview and see everything that you truly get and how it's a documented over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. This is your time. This is your moment, my friend. Stop overthinking it. Get in, get started. Let us help you increase your cash flow. And by the way, if you made it to this point in the video, I truly do appreciate you. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notified anytime I go live, which, by the way, here on my channel is 3 times a week. And you'll be the first to get notified when I put out new content. Okay. Thank you for watching, my friend. Hope to see you on the inside in just a few minutes. And of course, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.